Schemes and artifices? He also has a prior fugitive case, I see. Still pending.
Right.
7 meses de
Yes.
I know.
Welcome to Bench Report Court Cam.
Ricardo, you ready?
Yeah, the research on Mr. Pasos Miranda. Thank you.
So we'll say, this gentleman speaks English or Spanish?
Spanish, please. Español.
What's his last name?
It's hyphenated Pasos Miranda.
¿Cuál es tu apellido?
Pasos Miranda.
Pasos Miranda.
Yeah.
So tell me what we're doing with this.
Judge, this is a fugitive case. Mr. Day, I believe, is on Zoom. I am requesting to see if you would consider giving him a bond so he can go turn himself into
para que él se entregue
it's Yerpe County, Arizona.
a Yerpe, el condado de Yerpe en Arizona.
The lawyer is asking for me to set you a bond, Mr. Pasos Miranda. I don't know.
No sé.
I have to look at several things to see whether you would be a good candidate.
A ver si eres buen candidato.
Number one, whether you would actually go back.
¿No?
Number two, are you a danger to our public?
Segundo, eres.
So, Mr. Kim, tell me about Mr. Pasos, please.
Quiero saber sobre el señor Pasos, señor Ken.
Yes, Judge. This is the one from Yavapai County, Arizona,
Es que este es de País County, Arizona.
and he's wanted for charges of fraudulent schemes and artifices.
Por
Wait,
fraude.
fraudulent what?
Schemes and artifices. This is just how it's written.
Schemes and artifices?
Fraudulent conspiracy to commit fraudulent schemes and artifices.
Cometer
Okay.
fraude,
One count of computer tampering,
artificios, parece.
one count of theft,
Una cuenta de alterar computadoras.
and one count of criminal damage.
Uno de daños
So
criminales.
4 total counts.
But it's out of the same transaction, Judge.
Falsos.
On
Sí,
March 20,
por la misma
2023.
transacción que ocurrió en marzo 20 de 2023.
State would be opposed to a bond.
El Estado no está de acuerdo con una fianza.
For these charges, it looks
Para esta
like
acusación.
he
Parece
messed
que
with fuel
él-
pumps at a mini mart.
Estaba haciendo algo con las bombas de petroleras ahí en un minimart,
To include computer tampering,
incluyendo que estabas alterando algo con computadoras.
but 1 year after he committed these offenses, he
Un año
also was
después
charged
que
here
cometió este delito, también lo acusaron aquí
for a similar offense of violating motor
mismo
fuel tax
offense.
requirements.
por violar los requerimientos de impuestos de petróleo y de
And-
vehículos.
And briefly before that,
Y antes de
for
eso,
a misdemeanor charge of theft, but again,
un delito
regarding
menor de
fuel.
hurto, pero igualmente era de
He
petróleo.
also has a prior fugitive case, I see.
Tiene un caso antes de
I
fuga.
didn't see that when I pulled it up.
From 10/31/24, I see a prior fugitive case out of the same jurisdiction.
La misma jurisdicción.
Yavapai County.
Yavapai County.
So he's been before you? Is what you're
No,
saying?
it would happen if he was
No,
a
dice
fugitive and he
que
was
era
apprehended
fugitivo
by
y
another state.
agarró otro estado.
It could have been by this warrant or another warrant,
Puede haber sido esta orden de arresto o otra.
Oh,
Una
be-
otra
but because it's resolved, that's why it's closed on our end, and I
but let me
can't
ask you
find
this.
it.
Did he know about this in 2024? Because if he did, I'm not giving him a bond.
He's saying he didn't know, Judge.
I see state jail. So I see a fugitive case and I see a state jail sentence of 7 months, both on the same time out of work.
De 7 meses.
So it looks like there
Entonces,
possibly could have been something that he pled to in Wharton County.
se declaró
And he got
algo
also
en
hit with
Wharton
fugitive
County.
case.
Y le
Because he
dio un
got
caso
7 month sentence, they
fugitivo y
probably,
recibiste 7 meses.
fugitive case.
No fueron. con el
This is a
caso
lot of,
fugitivo.
we don't really know what happened.
So let's do this. Let's roll it to tomorrow.
I've had him in felony,
Dice
and
que
I
yo
know that he
estado
pled
en el
to
caso
the
de
7 month
felonía.
stay jail
sé que
And then
te
he was brought
declaraste
over to Harris County.
culpable.
I don't know if that helps, but
Siete
I-
meses
I
en la
Represent him on the fuel tax in the 185th?
cárcel. Ahí es
Yes.
donde voy
Oh my
a-
He
goodness.
did.
What are the
That's
odds?
just opportune.
Huh?
That's why I'm like, if,
Just go play the lottery.
so, if that help, I don't know if that helps, but he was
So-
brought over
Ella fue tu
from.
abogado, dice.
Sí, ella fue.
Está hablando.
Did he do 7 months state jail? Because I show a sentence
No,
of
that's
7
still
months.
pending. So they're
No,
going to
dice que
send
se
him,
está pendiente.
Still pending.
todavía.
right.
7 meses de
Yes.
cárcel.
I know.
No,
Sorry.
there is a, ya terminaste, because when I had him, there was a hold. ¿Ya terminaste con el caso en Wharton County?
Yes.
Okay, because when I had him, he still had a hold. If there is no more
They
hold, that means
run
they're
an
sending.
NCIC?
Yes. Temporary Harry County.
No.
I don't show
Why-
another hold right now. I mean, there might be a warrant, but it's not attached to a spin that I can see.
It was
Ellos
there
no
when
ven
I had
ninguna
him.
What did he have in Wharton County?
Que tenía,
If anything.
other words, tenía algo.
It would have been a credit card or debit abuse. He was
Pero que
convicted
abuso de tarjeta de crédito o de
on October
It's the same
15,
thing over and
2024.
over and over. You know,
Tarjeta.
it's over and over.
Y dice que no lo puede hacer porque es la
They-
misma cosa de
it's-
vuelta y de
It
vuelta.
appears to me that Mr. Pasos Miranda
Sí,
continues to pick up the case
sigue
over
agarrando
over
los
and
mismos
over
casos.
these fuel tax
Igual,
violations
igual,
where they
igual, sí.
they allegedly get,
Violación de-
you know what I mean?
Sí, pero-
So we've got one in Wharton, we've got one here, now we've got one
Wharton.
in Yavapai County.
Se llama Pine County.
So is it because of the types of cases he's picking up, or
Not
are we
this
going
one,
back?
but
tipo de
it keeps happening,
Okay.
right?
Sí,
It's
no es por el tipo de caso, es porque sigue
it's over and over and over for the last three plus years.
What I was gonna do, I thought we were
Yeah.
going in a manner where I needed to figure out if he was aware of the warrant or not. But if that's not the case and it doesn't make a difference,
Judge, may I jump in again?
Of
They,
course.
it looks like they lifted the hold
Parece que
on 218.
te quitaron.
If I'm looking on the DA portal,
Dos.
They placed a
18.
hold on him
Porque
on
pusieron una
October
orden de
31st,
detención el
2024 for that
31 de
sentence for
octubre
7
para
months
la
state jail.
sentencia de
And then
7
they lifted
meses.
that hold
Después lo
on 218.
levantaron en
So he's
12,
done with that
18.
as of
Él ya
218.
terminó con el
With,
18.
yes,
de
I can
febrero.
show it to you. Well, I don't know if I can.
How?
show- Because he came in on a warrant, so his time would have
Él
ran
vino en
concurrent
una
while he was in
orden
Harris
de
County
arresto.
and we were
Entonces,
working
Well,
out.
you know what it is? It must have been, you know, how on out-of-county cases, they give you the 10-day, right? And if they don't come pick you up, they release the whole within 10 days. That's what. it's
No,
probably-
well, so sorry, Judge. For this one, for the one on February 18th, that's for our 185th violation of motor fuel tax. That one, the release hold was on February 18, 2025. And then that triggered the in-county extradition for likely Wharton County for the out-of-county. That one was released on February 21st, 2025.
La orden esa te la quitaron.
But effectively, both of them, because they're state jail, it would have run concurrent. And at this point, based on when he was taken in, it's likely time served.
which would be taking care of the Wharton County, and Wharton County is no longer in play because of the time he spent.
We don't know
in
that for sure, though.
here. We know that, well,
You
yeah.
know, right? So let's do this. Can we roll it to tomorrow and you can try to figure out?
Yeah, let
So
me
we have
figure
a
out.
concrete, you know?
Let me get everything in place. I'll roll it, try to get some confirmation on Wharton and figure out if he had knowledge of this case out there.
I mean, I have a concern if he knows that this is open, because it's been open since 23.
Right.
Él sabe, esto está abierto desde
I have a problem.
I get it.
2023
I'm gonna
que tenía
continue to,
una orden
like,
de-
Okay.
Let him slide when he knows he knows it's open.
y
Let me get all
sabía
this
que
in
estaba
place and
abierto.
we'll reapproach. Okay, let's do that.
Bueno, deja de hablar con él.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thanks for watching. Stick around longer and click the highlighted videos to your right. See you there.